Hey there! Welcome to another episode of NPTressTreats TV. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you behind the scenes a little bit of NPTressTreats, and I'm going to make a scrunchie and show you how I make scrunchies. Well, I'm show you how to make a medium-sized scrunchie. So today I'm going to use the rustic country prints, and we're going to make one medium-sized scrunchie. So what you need is your fabric, scissors, chalk, your ruler, and sewing machine, and some elastic. So here we go. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to open it up here, and I'm going to pick the side that I want to cut, and so you can see. So it's going to be this side here. So what I'm going to do is get my ruler here and my chalk, and I'm going to measure about 6 inches because the medium-sized scrunchie is about 2 inches wide on each side. So I'm going to take it and draw the line here for 6 inches, and I'm going to come up here, and then I'm going to do 6 inches here, so 6 inches from the end. And I'm going to take my yardstick and I'm just going to draw a line. And then I'm going to cut it. Oops. Cut it right on the line there. So I have this piece here, just like this. So then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to fold it in half, like so, and I'm going to use my serger machine. And I like to use the serger and my sewing machine because I like it to be double, like I like it to have like a double, like double reinforced. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to stick it in my serger machine so you can see the serger. And I actually have like a line here that I mark for when I do scrunchies. So I'm going to take that and just run it through. And so, as you can see, I have it here. And then I'm going to take, and then I'm going to come into my sewing machine here and then go over this line just to make sure it's reinforced. So I'm going to stick that there, and then so just so you can see what I'm referring to. So you can see on here I have like my serger and then the extra line for my sewing machine just so it's double reinforced. And then I'm going to take it, and then I like to cut the ends off just because it's obviously this white part here from the fabric. And then I also don't like this little funky part, so I'm going to cut that off there. And then I'm going to, I'm so sorry about the quality of this video. It was just a total spur of the moment. So I'm going to take this little tool here and stick it through, and then reverse it here like this. So now I have my outside for the scrunchie, and then I'm going to I'm making a medium one. I already have my elastic pre-cut. I use a 7-inch pre-cut strip of elastic. So I'm going to take that and one of my tags, And then I'm going to take this and then I'm going to stick this on here like this. This is a loop turner. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to stick it through to sew on my tag. So it's inside here, and I'm going to take my tag and then I'm going to stick it on here and then I'm going to sew it. So I'm going to sew my tag on. So I've ran it through already, and then I'm going to do like a reverse and then run it back. But I can't hold the camera and do that. But actually, what I'm going to do is put this back just to show you. So bootleg my video, but you get it. So I'm going to take it, and then I already ran it through, and just to make sure the tag and that inner elastic is reinforced. And then you see that's there, and I'm going to cut off any uglies, you know. Cut that off just to make sure it looks nice. Then I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to pull my elastic through here, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it on top of here like this, and then I'm going to sew it down. So you can see it there. So then I'm just going to run it through here, and then I'm going to run it back and then run it through and then run it back, but I can't do that holding the camera. So basically what I did was I reinforced the elastic on the inside and this elastic, and so that way the scrunchie does not pop. And I'm going to cut off these uglies here, and then I'm going to do the outside of the scrunchie. So I'm going to cut off any of these extra little uglies, and then I'm going to take this and then I'm going to stick that on the inside so it's nice and clean. And I'm going to take this part and stick it on the inside here, like so. So you can see, so it's clean there. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to sew it again. So I'm going to sew it down. And then I'm going to go back. So you can see it's all done. And then I'm just going to cut off these uglies here. Cut off those little extra strings and voila! That's how I make a medium scrunchie. Thank you for watching. Love you.